This is a demo of the new feature in 836 to initiate a PODS and CISS safety check from a SAP GUI approval. So what we'll do in this demonstration is see how this is currently done in the Web UI, and then we will then swap over to a SAP GUI screen for the same Rev-Trac request and reproduce the PODS and CISS safety check initiation. So let's just approve this Web UI request into its migration status so we can see PODS and CISS check. Okay, so this is basically what has been available to customers for many years. We've got a real-time PODS and CISS safety check being displayed in the Web UI. And so what we're going to do is that we're just going to cancel this. And then what we're going to do is then go to the SAP GUI for the same Rev-Trac request. Hit refresh. And we can see here that the PODS and CISS check that we just initiated in the Web UI, the results have been added and can be reported upon. So if we click on it, we can see the results of the PODS and CISS results in the SAP GUI. Now, the ability to look at the results for PODS and CISS in a SAP GUI has been a feature introduced in 834, but you could actually not initiate the safety check from the SAP GUI. So let's see if we can do this now for the same Rev-Trac request. So let's go and approve the migration status. Okay, so what we can see now is we're given the option to the SAP GUI Rev-Trac user to initiate a PODS and CISS check. Now we can see here this button that says schedule PODS and CISS. We'll select that. And now we can see that the PODS and CISS has been submitted based on this log message. We have interrupted the migration approval to allow the WebCore to receive the instruction to run a PODS and CISS for this Rev-Trac request and then attach the results. Let's just hit refresh. Okay, now we can see that two log messages have been added for the PODS and CISS results that were initiated from this particular SAP GUI approval. We'll click on them and see the results. And then if we then continue with the migration approval again, we now go through to the OOPS check, and then we come through to the approval screen. So as part of this implementation in the SAP GUI, there is what we consider a validity period for the safety check results attached to the request, so that if you approve the migration status in the SAP GUI, schedule a PODS and CISS, and then the PODS and CISS results are attached. If you do not review the PODS and CISS and then attempt to approve again within a default time period, the PODS and CISS check results will be considered stale, and then you'll be asked to schedule a PODS and CISS safety check again. The ability to set the validity period for a PODS and CISS safety check from the SAP GUI is configurable via override. For more details on this override, please contact Rev-Trac support. And also note that the ability to view the PODS and CISS in the SAP GUI as well as initiate a PODS and CISS safety check from an approval can only be implemented on a Rev-Trac master operating on basis 750 above, or on a basis 740 version that is on support pack 15 or above. And an additional supplement transport is required to enable this feature. Thank you, and thus ends the demonstration.